In the 2018 Escalade, a full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, rear seat entertainment system, leather shift knob, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.